Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh OB. So in today's video, we will be talking about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Cognizant. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the things that one should know before applying for this opportunity. So we'll discuss things such as the job role, about the location they are hiring for, what compensation they are giving, and about the eligibility criteria, the educational qualifications required, the recruitment process. So we'll discuss about all these things in a detailed manner. So please, I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end, so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity. So before moving forward with the today's video, so let me tell you about our channel. So in Fresh OB, I upload all the videos regarding the latest off-campus opportunities from various MNCs, and I also make videos on the recruitment process of various MNCs and also the probable question that one will face in their interviews. So I make all these kinds of videos on a regular basis. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe so that you can get all these latest updates very quickly. So let's begin today's video, that is about Cognizant. So very firstly, we'll talk about Cognizant. So Cognizant Technology Solutions is an American multinational corporation that provides custom information technology consulting and business processes outsourcing services, and originally founded as an in-house technology unit of Dun and Bradstreet in 1994, and Cognizant started servicing external clients in 1996. So this is the brief information about the company. So next we'll talk about the role they are hiring for. So they are hiring for the position of a programmer analyst trainee. As you can see on your screen right now, that the job role is a programmer analyst trainee, and the compensation they are offering is of a 4.1 LPA. So next we'll talk about the eligibility criteria. So talking about the eligibility criteria, so very first point here is the education should be science or engineering graduate, and year of passing will be any year of passing student is eligible, and both freshers and experienced candidates are eligible for this opportunity. And fourth one is good technical and computer knowledge is required. So one who is applying for this opportunity should have good technical and computer knowledge, and a candidate pursuing graduation or awaiting results will not be eligible to apply. So who are pursuing their graduation are not eligible for this opportunity. And good communication skills in both oral and written is required. And seventh point is a candidate must have more than 60% marks in 10th 12th, and if you have done your diploma, then you should have minimum score of 60% in your diploma, and your graduation too, your score should be 60%. And eighth one is provide technical support to users in troubleshooting, attendance, machine monitoring and support. So these are the total eligibility criteria required for this opportunity. And talking about the job location, so they are hiring for the job location Bangalore. So next we'll talk about the job description. So the very first point here is raise clarifications, issues, concerns regarding work outputs to the lead on time. And the second is adherence to scheduled timelines and maintain effective working relationships with the team members and supervisors. Adhere to organization policies and procedures, participating in creation of weekly, monthly reports to clients, and completing the technical project related training and certifications. And seventh one is identify the training needs and conduct internal sessions to meet the same. So these are the total 7 job descriptions they have provided here. And talking about the required skills, so the very first point here is candidate should have good communication skills in both oral and written, and applicants should have good knowledge in Salesforce customization and Salesforce configuration. And third one is willingness to work in rotational shift or weekends as per the business requirements. And fourth one is participating in creation of weekly and monthly report to clients. Fifth one is completing the domain technical project related training and certifications. So these are the required skills they are expecting. And last one we'll discuss about the interview round. So once you are done with all the things about the aptitude test they will conduct. So once you clear that aptitude test, they will go with your technical interview, which is completely based on the area of interest and some general questions. So whatever you put on your CV, so they will ask you questions related to that things and all the general questions. And finally, once you clear your technical interview, so they will go with the HR interview, where questions based on the CV and some general personality check questions will be asked by the HR manager. So in this way, we have seen complete information one should know before applying for this opportunity from Cognizant. So I hope you guys like this video. So I will put the link required for the same in the description box of the video, so you can go to the description box and check out that link, and using that link you can apply for this opportunity. And I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such opportunity. Thank you.